This is Lukat Fix-It. This is a fender right here. It's peeling, it's oxidized. I don't care, I'm gonna clean it. Look what it looks like after you clean it. I always forgot to take the picture. Oh well. So what I'm doing here right now, I'm using this special cleaner, not a wax, and I'm cleaning the remaining clear coat and the exposed color base coat. Look how pretty that's coming out. Okay. Look at that. Okay. So this is the color. That's the actual pigment. It's underneath the clear that came off. Now, this, I mean, it's gonna flake off. Okay. A lot of people make a big deal of that. They don't have to. Look at that. Okay. So now I'm just cleaning. Remember, it's cleaner, not a wax. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. And now, I like using scouring pads to remove the remaining clear coat. Can you get closer so I can show them how flaky that stuff is? Can you see it coming off? Okay, don't get hung up on that. That's going to continue to come off, by the way, but you can at least make it look better until you can get it repainted. So I'm going to continue cleaning over here and right here. This is a terry cloth towel. It's very simple to do, guys. It's a little elbow grease. It's not hard. You don't have to drive around with an ugly paint job. You can do something about it until you get it repainted. Look at that. Remember, you can see paint coming up. It's okay. Be careful not to polish too hard, and because sometimes these old base coats, they're the color base coat's very thin that you can bleach. They're kind of bleached already, but just do small controlled sections at a time, and you'll see this looks way better than when we first started. Can you see that? Now do a little close up. Come over here. Now it's slightly bleached right here. See that? Okay, that's just because the color base coat's been exposed. It was thinner. But I want you guys to see what's going to happen when we use a sealer. We use the cleaner to bring it back. Okay. Now I'm going to put the sealer on. This is a really good product. It's a sealer wax. And what it does is just what the name implies. It's a carnauba, but it's got other things in it that just... It's a really, really good product. It's amazing what this stuff does. So I'm putting this on like this. Remember, if you can bring your old paint job that's oxidized and ugly back to a smooth and shiny state, you can use those awesome waxes that they have on TV and on the internet, like the ceramic stuff, the synthetic polymers. They're gonna work great. So again, the idea here is if you have an ugly minivan, an old SUV, a pickup truck, a car that just looks ugly, okay, this is a good way. I'm gonna take off that flaky clear coat right here. This is a good way to bring it back, make it look shiny, because when it's shiny, it refracts light, and you really can't see the problems unless if you go up and start pointing it out. And you know, the idea here is to preserve the paint job, make it look as good as you can for as long as you can. You can piecemeal it out, do it in sections, and then afterwards, you know, you can get it repainted. But for right now, this looks way better than what it was. And doggone, we forgot to take that picture, huh? Okay, but look at that now. Take a step back, move around so that they can see how it's refracting. It didn't look as bad. And then come up closer on top of this hood so they can see the hood panel. That's what it looked like originally. Now look at it over here. That we have a comparison. Okay, how long are we in?
4 minutes, 48 seconds.
That took 4 minutes. I just did it on the fly. Imagine if you washed it, park it in the shade, and then you cleaned it in sections. You could do this fender in 5-10 minutes. Come back, do half the hood panel, another 10-15 minutes. Come back next week, do another section of it. Anyways, just oh, look at this. I totally missed this. Come up close. Look at the trimming here. Do you see these scratches? Okay, so some of these are scratches, but a lot of them are not. Some of these are what we call light scuffing, light scratches. That same cleaner that I used to repair the paint will also remove that. Let me show you. You guys are gonna get blown away right now. This stuff is crazy good. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's paint cleaner, not wax. Okay. So, man, okay. So I'm gonna put some on here in the towel. And look what happens when I put it on here. So a lot of that's gonna disappear. Not all of it, but a lot. Okay. If you guys have paint transfers, like those yellow and white parking posts that hit us, because we never hit them. Okay. This removes paint transfer, light scratches, and stuff like that. And if you guys know how to wet sand, you guys can actually wet sand this with like 1,000 and then hit it afterwards, and it'll remove more of the scratches. Okay. Look at it now. That looks way better. You can still see the deeper ones, but you can't see the light ones are gone. I'm gonna go ahead and add some refraction to reduce that. That's what the sealer does. You put it on, work it into the paint, and voila. So, this is just something you guys can do right now until you get the car repainted. These products are freaking amazing. It's called the Lukat Fix It. We have a kit called the Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Kit. Go to our website, lukatdetail.com. This stuff is amazing. Look at this fender. I mean, what it looked like was like this over here, and now look at it. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. If you got comments, leave a comment. Thank you so much for just even watching the video. Appreciate that. But hey, man, you can save a lot of money with this product. Later, guys.